Rise above it to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom for today is to rise above it. I like idioms like this that are open-ended and allow you to fill in the blank yourself. Well, what the heck is it? In this case, it is usually a difficult or challenging situation. Sometimes it's like in corporate America where you're rising above sometimes political or personality issues to advance your career or to get promotions in corporate America, or to, as we're running and growing and supersizing our own business, to scale and build and grow our business, to supersize our business, for example, and to usually generate more income, have more profits, impact more lives, positively impact the lives of the people that we interact with, as well as making the world a better place. I like to help businesses to make the world a better place. If kind of that's not your mission, you're probably not working with me. So what the heck does rise above it mean? It's another one of those idioms that they don't know the exact origin of, but we've been using it for centuries. They think it might have come from when people would get to a higher level, or they'd literally climb up or rise up to a higher vantage point so they could get a different perspective, so they could see further, so they could find a way to escape from enemies, for example, or to get out of a difficult situation, or to get a better perspective on what was going on. Usually the person that had the higher tower had the better perspective and could see when people were coming to attack them. It then came to mean overcoming a negative situation or circumstance by adopting a positive attitude or a different way of looking at the situation. It's used in literature, music, famous works of art, as a way to inspire and encourage people to be resilient, to keep going for it, to continue to try even when times are tough. We rise above it. We figure it out. We don't just stop in our tracks whenever there's any little problem or circumstance that comes up. We are solution focused, not problem focused, because that's how we set the example for the people in our organization, for ourselves, and for others as well. So I'd love to know your experience with this particular idiom. What have you had to rise above in order to continue to grow and build and supersize your business? I can think of literally hundreds and hundreds of things that I've had to rise above. I've had to rise above my own limiting beliefs. I've had to rise above the doubts of other people that I've worked with and interacted with. I've had to prove myself hundreds of times that I could do the things that I said I would do, and I make sure that I do the things that I say I'm going to do, so that people know they can count on me and that I am trustworthy. So that's just a couple of examples. I also had to learn and grow and figure things out that at the time felt impossible, but I knew that there's always a way to create what we want in the world. All right, have an awesome day. I'll of course be with you tomorrow.